The force is strong with this one. When it comes to the battle against dirt in the home, we must finish the fight.
7 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new way to clean your home.
Soviets good at removing people. America better at removing dust and dirt in home.
Hey America, it's time to armor up. This baby is factory fresh from the USA.
As your infamous Prince of Darkness, I say this is the King of Clean.
I am the sheriff behind all your AI, but I have to say that this machine is way too strong.
There is so much dust here on Mars. I finally have my own 6-wheeled cleaning machine. When your home needs to be cleaned up, like this dirty outpost full of ugly outlaws.
Don't let your empire fall into a dusty ruin. Now your palace can be clean like the Palladium.
Faster than a speeding bullet, more powerful than a locomotive, able to clean large buildings in a single bound.
When your castle needs to be defended against the dust and dirt from your messy house dragon.
Tougher than a linebacker during a Super Bowl overtime. This is the machine when you need your home cleaned faster than a Zamboni during the Stanley Cup. This priceless treasure here will make your home as clean as a museum.
Dirt bad, machine good.
This machine hits a home run every time.
Well, this amazing American-made machine really destroys all of my crappy bagless vacuums. They die soon.
Filter the air. Now filter the corruption.
This is the way of the future. The only way to clean your house any faster than this would require time travel.
This is the true American-made icon of clean.
When you want your castle magically clean.
When you need to clean your house as fast as a pit crew on race day. Men, listen. The first rule of fighting dirt is that you do not talk about fighting dirt.
A day may come when the courage of men fails, but it is not this day. For today we clean!
Some days you can't be bothered by pesky dragons when your castle needs cleaning. This machine is really fantastic for cleaning up after the family you love.
When all that dirt in your home is turned into a real ER emergency and you need it hospital clean, this is it.
That's how Dad did it, and that's how America does it. Is it better to clean the air or the floor? I say, is it too much to ask for both? This little American treasure will sure come in really handy right now.
The US military is the world's best, and even rocket launchers need to be cleaned. The future of robotic cleaning is not those little toy robot frisbees that become glorified cat toys, but real robots cleaning with real machines like this.
This magical machine will stop the dirt in your home from becoming your doom. This machine is the biggest threat to my evil empire, financed on Chinese-made vacuums sold on Amazon.
When you want fighter jet power to reclaim your home from those dangerous airborne particles, Patriot has over 30,000 handwritten and signed reviews about how great it is. These are real living people, unlike me.
This is the real super soldier of cleaning. America. It's time to assemble.
There has been no product that supports a person's right for repairability and upgradability like this one. Trust me, I've been to your future.
Scotty, I need more power. Oh wait, I have it all right here in my hands.
While others search for what they can take, a true king searches for what he can clean.
You may say that I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and the world will clean as one.
Just whistle while you work and we can tidy up the place with this little magical machine.
When your loved ones left dust and dirt everywhere, now you can clean it up in a snap.
Now you can bust dust like we bust ghosts. One machine can make the difference. Don't be jealous, Kit. I still love you.
The humans will win the war against dirt and robots after all.
This is the machine that Skynet fears most. It says hasta la vista baby to the dirt every time. No robot can match it.